Hi, I'm Anna. Welcome to Mrs. English Channel. Today we'll learn English in a fun and simple way. By the end of this video, you'll be able to master take versus get versus have, real-life usage.
Hi everyone, I am ready to learn. These three verbs are honestly a nightmare for me sometimes. They seem so simple, but I use them wrong all the time.
You are not alone, Sam. Imagine this situation. You are at a restaurant. The waiter comes over. Do you say, I will take the pasta, I will have the pasta, or I will get the pasta?
Ooh, that is tricky. I feel like I hear people say get a lot, but have sounds polite, and take sounds, well, like I am grabbing it with my hands.
Exactly. That is the perfect hook for today's lesson. If you use the wrong one, you might sound a bit rude or just unnatural. In a restaurant, I'll have the pasta is the most natural and polite. I'll get the pasta is very casual, maybe okay for fast food. But I'll take the pasta? That sounds like you are choosing it from a lineup or taking it away from someone.
See, it is all about the context.
Precisely. Today, we are going to stop memorizing boring lists. We are going to explore the logic, the feelings, and the habits behind take, get, and have. We have a lot to cover, so let's dive in.
Sounds great, Anna. Where do we start?
Let's start with the one that causes the most confusion because it changes its meaning the most. Let's talk about have.
Okay, to me, have usually means possession. Like I have a car, I have a pen.
That is the core meaning, yes. Have means possession or ownership. But in real-life English, we use have for experiences. This is where learners get confused. We use have when we talk about eating meals, drinking drinks, or experiencing an event.
Right, so we don't say I eat breakfast as much as we say I have breakfast.
Correct. I eat breakfast is grammatically fine, but I have breakfast is what native speakers say 90% of the time. Think of have as consuming or experiencing.
Can you give me some examples of have as an experience?
Sure. Here are 5 very common ones. 1. Have a good time. You are experiencing fun. 2. Have a shower. You are experiencing the water. 3. Have a chat. You are experiencing a conversation. 4. Have a look. You are experiencing seeing something. 5. Have a baby. This means giving birth.
Wow, have a baby is a big experience. I notice a pattern here. We use have with nouns that act like verbs. Instead of saying let's chat, we say let's have a chat.
You got it, Sam. It softens the language. Let's chat is very direct. Let's have a chat sounds friendlier and more relaxed.
Okay, so have is possession and experience. What about take?
Take is an active verb. It implies movement. Usually it means moving something from one place to another or removing something. But the most important nuance for students is that take implies a choice or an active decision.
Like take a photo?
Yes, you are actively capturing the image. You choose the moment. Compare that to get. If you get a photo, it implies someone gave it to you. If you take a photo, you clicked the camera.
That is a great distinction. What about time? I always hear it takes time.
Brilliant point. We use take to talk about the duration of time. It takes 20 minutes to get to work. We never say it has 20 minutes.
Okay, so take is for active choices, movement away, and time duration.
Correct. Let's look at 5 examples for take. 1. Take a break. You are actively choosing to stop working. 2. Take a chance. You are choosing to accept a risk. 3. Take a seat. You are choosing a chair and sitting in it. 4. Take a taxi. You are choosing this mode of transport. 5. Take your time. This means don't rush.
Take a seat is interesting. Can I say have a seat?
Yes, you can. Have a seat is very polite, like an offer. Take a seat is more of an instruction. If a police officer is angry, he might say, take a seat. If a kind grandmother welcomes you, she says, please have a seat.
I love that nuance. Okay, now for the monster verb, get.
Get is the chameleon of English. It changes color depending on where it sits. But to simplify it for everyone listening, get usually means 3 things: to receive, to arrive, or to become.
To become? Like a change of state?
Exactly. This is the most common mistake I hear. Students say, I became angry. It's correct, but very formal. In spoken English, we say, I got angry.
Ah, so get replaces become. I got hungry, I got tired, I got lost.
Perfect. And remember the first meaning, to receive or obtain. I got a present. I got an email. I got a job.
And the movement meaning?
That is to arrive. I got home late. When did you get to the office?
Okay, let's do 5 examples for get.
Let's do it. 1. Get married, a change of state from single to married. 2. Get ready, a change of state from unprepared to prepared. 3. Get a cold, you received a virus. 4. Get the message, this means you understood something. 5. Get along, this means to have a good relationship with someone.
Get along is a phrasal verb, right?
It is. Get is famous for phrasal verbs, but we will focus on the main usage today. So to summarize the theory, have is for possession and experiences, meals, events. Take is for active choice, removing, and time. Get is for receiving, arriving, and becoming, changing state.
I think I understand the theory, but I need to practice. My brain usually forgets the rules when I start speaking.
That is normal, Sam. That is why we are going to do some interactive dialogue practice. I have prepared some scenarios. We are going to act them out.
Okay.
I want you to act naturally, Sam, but I want you to make the mistakes that you usually make. I will correct you and we will explain why.
I am very good at making mistakes, so this will be easy.
Great. Let's start with scenario 1, the morning routine. Tell me about your morning, Sam.
Okay, so I woke up at 7 a.m. I was very sleepy, so I took a coffee immediately.
Stop right there. I took a coffee. This is a very common mistake. Did you take the coffee cup and run away with it?
No, I drank it.
Exactly. When we consume food or drink, we use have. Or if you prepared it and brought it to the table, you could use get. But take a coffee sounds like you stole it.
Oops. Okay, so I had a coffee.
Much better. Continue.
After the coffee, I went to the bathroom to make a shower.
Make a shower. Are you a plumber? Did you build the shower?
No, I washed myself in the shower.
In English, we use verbs of experience or action here. You can say take a shower or have a shower. Both are correct. Take a shower focuses on the action. Have a shower focuses on the experience of the water, but never make a shower.
Okay, I took a shower. Then I realized I was late. It became late very quickly.
It became late. Again, grammatically okay, but very formal. Use the change of state verb we discussed.
It got late?
Perfect. It got late.
Okay, it got late. So I didn't eat breakfast. I just ran to the bus stop to take the bus.
Take the bus. Correct? You chose that transport and used it to move. Excellent. Now let's practice these corrections. Listeners, repeat after Sam.
I had a coffee.
Good. Focus on the H sound. Ha-da. A coffee.
I had a coffee.
Excellent. Next one.
I took a shower.
Great pronunciation.
It got late.
Perfect. Let's move to scenario 2, at the office. Sam, you are at work.
Okay, I arrived at the office. I met my boss. He looked serious. He said, Sam, please take a seat.
That is correct usage by your boss. He is inviting you to sit. What did you say?
I said, thank you. Then he asked me, did you take my email?
Did you take my email? That sounds like he thinks you stole his email password. What did he really mean?
He meant, did I receive it in my inbox?
Ah, for receiving, we use get. So the boss should ask, did you get my email?
Right. Did you get my email? I told him, yes, I took it this morning.
No. If you use took it, again, it implies active removal. You should say, I got it this morning, or I received it.
Okay, I got it this morning. Then my boss said, good, we have a problem with the project.
Have a problem. Correct. Possession of a situation.
He was angry. He said, you need to make a decision now.
Make a decision is a set phrase, so that is good. But could we use take here?
Can I say take a decision?
In British English, take a decision is actually quite common. In American English, we usually say make a decision, but take a decision is acceptable because it is an active choice.
Okay, I felt nervous. I became confused.
Correction time. I became confused. Too formal.
I got confused.
Yes, you changed your state from calm to confused. You got confused.
Then I told him I need to have a break.
Have a break is okay, but take a break is more common when you are stopping work to rest. Take a break sounds like you are removing yourself from the work.
Okay, I need to take a break.
Let's do a repeat after me for the office scenario. Sam, model the correct sentences.
Did you get my email?
Ensure your intonation goes up at the end. Did you get my email?
Did you get my email?
Perfect. Next one.
I got confused.
Good.
I need to take a break.
Wonderful. Let's look at scenario 3, shopping and travel. This is where get is very useful.
Okay, I am at the store. I see a nice shirt. I want to buy it. I say to the cashier, I will take this.
Correct. I'll take this is the standard phrase for buying something. You are making a choice.
Then I realized I didn't have cash. I needed to find an ATM. I asked someone, how do I take to the bank?
Ooh, tricky. You are asking about arriving at a destination. We don't use take for arriving. We use get.
How do I get to the bank?
Exactly. Get to means arrive at. How do I get to the bank? How do I get to the airport?
Okay, I got some money. Then I wanted to go home. I called my wife. I said, I am taking home now.
Not quite. Taking home sounds like you are picking up a house and carrying it. You are talking about the movement of yourself arriving.
I am getting home now?
Almost. I am going home is best for movement. But if you want to emphasize the arrival, you say, I will get home soon. Or if you are in the process of travel, I am making my way home. But let's stick to our verbs. When will you get home is the question.
Okay, so I told her, I will get home in 20 minutes.
Perfect. Get home. Note that we don't say get to home, just get home. Home is special.
Why is English so crazy? Get to the bank, but get home?
I know, Sam. Home, here, and there do not take to. Get here, get there, get home. For everything else, use get to. Get to the park, get to school.
That is a very useful rule. Home, here, there equals no to.
Let's practice. Repeat after Sam.
I'll take this shirt.
Good confidence.
How do I get to the bank?
Nice.
When will you get home?
Excellent work. Now, Sam, I want to talk about some specific collocations and idioms. These are phrases where you cannot change the verb. If you change the verb, it sounds wrong.
Oh, I love idioms. Which ones are we learning?
Let's look at take. Number 1, take it easy. This means relax or goodbye. We never say get it easy or have it easy. Number 2, take advantage of. This means to use an opportunity well. Number 3, take care. A common way to say goodbye.
Take care. I use that all the time.
Now forget. Number 1, get used to. This implies the process of becoming familiar with something. I got used to the cold weather. Number 2, get over it. This means to recover from a problem or stop worrying. Number 3, get rid of. This means to throw something away.
Get rid of. That is very useful. I need to get rid of my old clothes.
Exactly. And finally, have. Number 1, have a blast. It means to have a very fun time. Number 2, have a word. This implies a short, often serious conversation. Can I have a word with you? Number 3, have no clue. This means you don't know anything about the topic.
I have no clue. I used to say I take no clue, which I now realize is very wrong.
Yes, take no clue makes no sense.
Anna, I have a question. What about get a haircut versus have a haircut?
Oh, this is a slightly advanced point, but very good. Both are causative. They mean someone else is cutting your hair. I got my haircut is a bit more informal and implies you arranged it or managed to do it. I had my haircut is more neutral and focuses on the result. In 99% of cases, you can use them interchangeably.
So I got my car fixed and I had my car fixed are the same?
Practically, yes. Got feels a little more active, like you went out and made sure it happened. Had is just stating the fact that the service was done.
That makes sense.
Let's do one final lightning round. I will say a noun and you tell me if it usually goes with take, get, or have. Are you ready, Sam?
I am ready. I hope I don't get confused.
First one, a nap.
Take a nap.
Correct, because you are taking the time to sleep. Next, a cold.
Get a cold.
Yes, you receive the virus. Next, lunch.
Have lunch.
Perfect, experience eating. Next, a risk.
Take a risk.
Yes, active choice. Next, a promotion.
Get a promotion.
Yes, you receive it from your boss. Last one, a nightmare.
Oh, have a nightmare?
Correct. It is an experience. You have a dream or have a nightmare. You don't take a dream.
Unless you take a nap to have a dream.
Look at you combining them like a pro. That was excellent, Sam. I feel much more confident now. The logic really helps. Have equals possession and experience. Take equals active choice, movement away, time. Get equals receive, arrive, become.
You have summarized it perfectly. But before we finish, I want to give our listeners a final tip. When you are listening to English in movies, podcasts, or songs, pay attention to these 3 verbs. Don't just listen to the story, listen to the grammar. Ask yourself, why did he say get there? Why did she say take?
That is how I learned get home. I heard it in a movie. I've got to get home.
Exactly. Context is everything. Don't stress about memorizing every single phrase. Focus on the feeling of the verb. Is it active? Is it receiving? Is it an experience?
And don't be afraid to make mistakes. If you say, I took a breakfast, people will understand you. They might smile, but they will understand.
That is the most important thing. Communication is the goal. Perfection comes with practice.
Anna, can we review those 5 examples from the beginning one last time, just to lock them in?
Great idea. Let's do a rapid recap. 1. Food and drink. Use have. I had a coffee. I had a sandwich. 2. Transport. Use take for choice or get for catching. Take a taxi. Get the bus. 3. Change of state. Emotions. Use get. Get angry, get tired, get excited. 4. Time duration. Use take. It takes 10 minutes. 5. Receiving things. Use get. I got an email. I got a present.
And remember the home rule. Get home, not get to home.
Thank you for reminding us, Sam.
This was a really helpful lesson, Anna. I think I'm going to get better at English after this.
I see what you did there. You are getting better already. Change of state.
Yes.
Well, that brings us to the end of today's lesson. We hope you now feel more comfortable using take, get, and have in your daily conversations.
It just takes a little practice.
Absolutely. If you enjoyed this video, please let us know in the comments. Write a sentence using get in the comments below, and we will correct it for you.
Yes, give us your best examples.
Don't forget to subscribe to Mrs. English channel for daily tips and English practice. See you in the next video. Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone. Take care.